Thank you for calling room service. This is Irish speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to order, please.
May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Jillian and my room number is 8.
Okay, ma'am. May I take your order now?
I would like to order Waldorf salad and sparkling water, please.
Would you like to try some of our coffee like creamy latte?
No thanks, that will be all.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? You ordered Waldorf salad and sparkling water. Did I get your order right, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Your bill is 450 pesos. For the payment of your bill, is it cash, credit card, or is it a room charge?
Cash, please.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be delivered as soon as possible, maybe in 15 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day.
A few moments later.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I'm Ace. This is your room service. May I come in? Excuse me, ma'am. Where would you like me to set up it?
Just set up on my delivery.
Would you like me to brighten up your mood by removing the curtain?
Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present your bill?
Okay.
I received the 100 pesos. What time would you like me to pick up the food?
After 30 minutes.
Thank you. If you need anything, call me.
A few inches later.
May I come in? This your change, ma'am. Hindi pa ako naliligpit eh. Is there anything else? Thanks, and enjoy your stay at our hotel.